This is what we call a massive W, bro. Look, we're in the middle of this giant field under power lines, looking for one of the rarest lilies in America. Oh my God, look how beautiful this is. We got a Fritillaria, bro. This is a fragrant Fritillaria. Look how beautiful that thing is, dude. It's so beautiful. Oh, that one's making seed already on the top. Massive W. These plants are so hard to find. One of the many endemic lilies you can find in California. But you gotta find them all over here because fucking cows and the sheep eat them all. But we found a good population. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. I'm in shock that we found this homie. It's so fucking windy, but it's so good. Because this homie's sexy. Fritillaria are a great example of how amazing California's native flora is. We have so many endemic plants like this you only can find in certain areas in California and only in California. These homies are growing under a power line, bro. So windy and so delicate, but they don't give a fuck, homie. Dude, this one's got 30 on it. So beautiful. They gotta grow in that adobe clay soil, which most plants can't, which allows the homies to stay alive, because if it wasn't for that clay soil, these would be extinct for sure, dude. Just like the adobe lily and the Purdy's Fritillaria, these are all endemic to California and need specific types of soil or they won't grow. But that's also why we get so much speciation in California, because bad soil makes these homies gotta mutate to survive. When they mutate, you get the good shit. And you get the pretty leaves too, very world. Very nice, like a mini wavy leaf soap plant. Look at the color on this one. I love the patterns, dude. It's so beautiful. This one's already starting to go to seed. You see the swollen ovary on the back? It means it got pollinated and it's making a new bloom as well. So we're gonna get plenty of seed in this population, dude. That's sick. And it's in a bulb in the ground, so it'll multiply like normal bulbs, but it's based because it's not that shit you get from Home Depot. It's the good shit. Rare planting, oh sorry, dude. Rare plant rating 1.2B, rare, threatened, and endangered, and sexy. That's what you wanna hear, that's what you wanna see. We gotta protect the homies, dude. Imagine that in your lawn. A whole lawn of this, extremely based. They need that clay soil, that adobe clay soil that most plants can't thrive on, but this homie not only thrives and survives, but he keeps doing fucking work. That's dope. We are finding that rare flora, bro. Look at the stink bells. This Fritillaria smells like shit. It's supposed to smell like meat, like a corpse flower to attract flies. Extremely based, but I just think they're pretty. Look at the leaves, the world leaves. Oh, you got the pollen on you? I'm weak. Pollen. This one's already got a swollen ovary though. This one's already making a seed pod. You can see it in the back. See that green thing? Look at that. Oh. These Fritillaria are so tiny and beautiful, man. I love seeing them, but they're so hard to find. Not only because they are small, but they need specific location, soil, and climate. And as you can see, it's getting taken over by invasive species. Luckily, it's able to outcompete it along with this native parasitic mustard based. I love that. It's called Cup and Eggs. It's so pretty. It does work, man. Little flowers for the bees. I love to see it. But you could see this. Oh, we got a native carrot as well. I forgot about the native carrot. Extremely based. All these plants are able to outcompete that invasive bullshit because they are growing in a vernal pool ecosystem with clay soil that puddles up and holds the water, and then it's able to grow afterward. The grass seeds will either rot or there's not enough nitrogen for the grass. Brings me to my next point. This is also a perfect ecosystem to be turned into agriculture. That is why 99% of the vernal ecosystems have been destroyed in California and turned into cattle farms. This was only saved out of pure luck because botanists and people got together to buy it with the land trust to protect it. And it is such a beautiful ecosystem, man. I wish I could see California when all the farms you see would be like this, covered in blooms like these native violets, man. It's so beautiful. And even with the certain areas of invasive grass, they can't outcompete it, and we'll have like selective grazing here. They'll put some cattle here to eat the grass, and the cattle will not eat the native species, which is based. It allows the native species to flourish, but you have to do selective grazing. You're not gonna leave the cows on this shit for like 3 days and let them kill it all. Leave it for like half a day. Let them do work, and then you allow the species to return, because you don't want cow shit getting in the vernal pool water. This place is very fucking rare. So beautiful. You can see the nectaries. Watch, you pull it up like this and it's reflecting. Do you see the shiny? That's the nectar in the back. The nectaries, dude. That's where the pollinators want to get. Man, these are stinky, but the pollinators like them. Oh my God, so beautiful. All that nectar, that's sick.